Hello friends, today I am going to draw a model. So first of all, create a line. I'll enter and give the dimension of 125 mm, and downside this is 50 mm, and left side 125, upside this is 15, and right side 50, and again upside this is 20, and left side 50 mm. Now you can type C enter to close this line, or you can directly click on the here we will draw a circle. So type C enter and click on the center point as a midpoint of this line and give the radius of 25 mm, and now draw another circle. So press enter and center point. Now give the dimension of 10 mm. Here this is done. We will do the trim. So tr double enter and you can tr double enter, and now click on the unwanted material. Here we can trim, and now escape and select this line and delete from your keyboard. You can also type erase. Now we will make region. So select all these and deselect by clicking on the shift and clicking on the circle. Here you can see the one region is created. Now we will click on the isometric view. Here you can find the home button. If you cannot find, here you can see this. Now we will extrude this profile. So type ext for extrude and click this profile, and towards downside this is 50 mm. Here you can see this is extruded. Now we will press pull for hole. So type PRESS and click on the hole and click outside. Here you can see the hole is done. Now we will align the UCS. So type UCS and F enter to select any face. Here we have to draw some geometry on this face, and click C enter for circle and give the radius of 25 mm, or you can just click on the end point. Another we will move this circle from here to here. Now we will draw another circle. So type C enter. This is the this will be the same center point as it was previous circle. Here type C enter and snap the circle center point and click here and give the radius of 10 mm. Here this is done. Now we will draw another rectangle for the reference purpose. So we will type REC for rectangle and click on the first point, and now for second point you can type dimension, that is 50 mm, tab 20 mm. Now move this rectangle. So type M enter and click on the specify the base point and click the point where we want to move. Now we will also move this towards right side. This is 100 mm. Here the geometry is ready. Now we will press pull. So type PRESS and click here, click outside. Here you can see this is cutted. Here for hole, click on inside. Here you can see this hole is done. And now we will click here and click outside. Here we have to delete this circle. So click on the delete button on your keyboard. Now we will subtract. For that type SU enter and click on the first object, enter, and now second object, enter. Here this is done. Now click this rectangle and delete. Here you can choose the realistic view. Okay, here you can see this is the realistic view, and now we will delete the unwanted circle. So click here and delete from your keyboard. This is done. We can rotate using the different method. Here 3 methods are available. Click on the home button, here the another you can also assign the material. So type mat enter and select the material whatever you want to apply on this object. So I will choose this and just drag and drop on the material to assign this color. Here you can choose whatever you want. I like this. This is done. Now cut this, and here we can see this is the material which is applied on the object, and we can rotate this using the different method. So you can see this is a continuous rotation method. You can find the command right side of the window. Here we can view, zoom in, zoom out, and also we can pan this material. And I request you to please subscribe this channel to let me to enter into 1000 subscribers. So thank you.